Hey there, boys and girls. This is Craig Miller. Today we are talking about getting a high interest installment loan or payday loan in the state of Virginia. Now, you may be wondering exactly why you would want a high interest loan. Well, nobody really wants these types of loans, but for many people, it's the only option due to the fact of their poor credit or past financial problems. So, getting an installment loan or a payday advance loan or payday loan is one of the only options that they may have. So, that being said, let's take a look at what it takes to get such a loan and what you can expect whenever shopping around for an installment loan or payday loan, car title loan, whatever product you might choose. So let's get started here. You go to your favorite search engine. Today we're going to try out Bing. And I simply just typed in Virginia installment loans. You can do in Virginia payday loans, Virginia car title loans. They're all going to pull up similar search results, similar companies that offer multiple loan products. So let's take a look at what we have here. And one of the things that I like to do is first look at the yellow pages. So click on this link here for the yellow pages, and let's see what we have here. You got Ace Cash Express. That's a popular website for these types of loans. You also have, CheckSmart. That's also another popular one in Virginia Beach. Title loans, Wells Fargo, you probably don't want to go there. CheckSmart, so it looks like CheckSmart's a popular one here. Let's see let's visit their website and see what they have to offer at CheckSmart. Now their webpage here is taking a little while to load. Let's see what we have here. They have title loans. $10,000. That's for your car title. That's actually what's referred to as a secured loan. And you would actually put up your car title as a method to secure the loan. If you don't pay, you lose your car. Payroll advance. This is another popular choice for many. And they also have other products like tax return, filing your tax return and getting your money back, prepaid credit cards, cash checking. But right now, let's take a look at let's look at this payroll advance. So basically, it's showing a two-step process here. You write out a personal check for the amount that you want, plus the financing charges, and then you receive your cash immediately. Then they actually hold the check for a minimum of 2 pay cycles. So they hold a check for up to 31 days at a time, and you may pay your loan in cash or they'll deposit their check and pay it off. So it's two choices here. Where that's one choice here, the payroll advance, and that's more of a short-term solution as far as getting a loan. If you want a little more money for a little bit longer, you simply do a car title loan. If you have a car title, generally speaking, you have to have a free and clear car title in order to do this type of loan. And the process goes something like this. First thing you do is apply for a title loan using the application on the CheckSmart website. And then you get your cash. It says here up to $5,000 cash, and use it for whatever you need. And then the third point they make here is you get to keep your car while you have your loan out. Now, many people are misinformed and believe that doing a car title loan means that you have to surrender your car, and that's not necessarily the case. The only time you have to surrender your car is whenever you don't actually make a payment on your loan, which we hope that would not be the case. But that your car is your collateral with this type of loan, and this is something you want to keep in mind when applying for a car title loan. So keep your car, you get the cash, just make sure that you make your payments as promised and you won't have any problems. Let's see what else we have here. Now, they do offer financial services just in case you're looking to transfer money, or you're doing a money order or a bill payment service. Whatever the case may be, they offer these types of services at their locations across the state of Virginia. So this is also something that you may want to keep in mind when shopping around. If you need the money to pay a bill, you can simply take out the loan and then use their convenient bill payment option to pay the bill right there when you're at the location. So that's another great service. Let's look at cash checking here. If you're not looking to borrow money but you have a check and you don't have a bank account, then this can be a good option. They do everything from payroll checks to tax refunds, insurance checks, government checks, money orders, many other checks. It says here that if you don't have a photo ID, you can bring in any type of identification and they'll cash it. So that makes it handy for those who don't have a driver's license or any type of ID. So something you want to keep in mind if you're looking for that type of financial service. In order to actually get the loan, you're going to have to fill out an application. So let's go back here to the home page and click on the get started now. You actually have to fill out the application here, then click on get started now, and that'll bring it to a web page that'll give you the full application, and you give all your information, such as where you work, the amount of money that you make each week, along with some other questions such as personal assets and your monthly debt and that type of thing. These are all questions that the lender wants to know before giving you a loan, because it is to their advantage, so they know that they're actually getting their money back, and it's not just somebody trying to borrow money that doesn't have a source of income and doesn't have a job, that sort of thing. So should give them all the information that they request and answer all the questions as honestly as possible. And more than likely, if they approve your loan, you'll receive a phone call back from their loan specialist within a few hours, and they're going to let you know what to do from there, whether your loan's approved or they need additional support and documentation, or maybe they might suggest that you try some other type of loan product if that one doesn't work. So it's all a few things you want to keep in mind when you're looking for quick money, fast money, emergency cash, whoever it may be that you're looking for a payday loan. So hope this video helped out. For more information on the topic of getting a loan in the state of Virginia, check out my website, which is located, there's a link located at the bottom of this video, and thanks for watching.